Hey everyone, in this 1-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to add money to your Trading 212 account. From the home screen, tap the 3 lines in the bottom right corner, then hit the big blue Deposit Funds button. Trading 212 lets you fund by bank transfer, debit or credit card, or Apple Pay. I'll start by opening bank transfer just so you see the details. My bank is already linked, and I could deposit in multiple currencies. Just send the transfer to the account info shown here. But for this demo, we're using a card, and the first 2,000 euros you deposit this way is fee-free. Tap card. Type the amount. I'm putting in 100 euros and decide whether you want a recurring top-up, weekly, monthly, whatever, or a one-time payment. I'll leave it as one time and press next. The payment processes and success. The 100 euros arrives in your account instantly. Same steps apply if you fund in GBP, USD, or any other supported currency. You can now jump back to the portfolio tab and you'll see the cash line updated. 100 euros ready to earn interest or to invest. Before you go, drop our promo code IITW inside the app to snag a free fractional share worth up to 100 euros. Questions? Comment below and I'll help you out. If you're wondering how to invest in the S&P 500 on Trading 212, or what happens if a broker fails, check the other videos on the channel. They're linked in the description. Thanks for watching, hit like, subscribe, and happy investing.